follow the electrical diagram to complete the control terminal wiring and perform safety inspections before and after power on. Then, set the parameters. If defaults are prompted, there is no need to set them. Set parameter 9412 for digital inputs. The default value for terminal 13 is 8, start. Set parameter for terminal 14, and its default value is 10, reversing. Set parameter for terminal 15, and its default value is 1, reset. Set parameter for terminal 17, and its default value is 14, jog. Then, set the parameters for analog input and output to the default value, 100, for output frequency. Set parameter 5537. The default value for reference 1 source is 1, analog input terminal 33. For the relay function, use the default setting, 9, fault. Regarding the reference-related settings, set parameter 5533. Set the reference maximum value according to the actual application. The default is 50 Hz. Then, set the minimum reference value according to the actual application. The default value is 0 Hz. For the acceleration and deceleration settings, set parameter 5542. Set the acceleration time according to the actual application. The default is 3 seconds. Now, take 6S as an example. Then set the deceleration time according to the actual application. The default is 3 seconds. Now, take 6S as an example. If the on-site application requires the anti-power fluctuation function, the following parameters need to be set. Set parameter 563 flying start function. And choose 2, enabled always. Set parameter 236 power loss action. Then choose 4, kinetic backup. Now you know how to set up the speed open loop parameter for the iC2-Micro.